There's an e-cigarette explosion hitting America's youth, and Juul has been packing the hardest punch.
It can't be good for you.
Doctors are worried the device, advertised as a way to get people to quit smoking, is having the opposite effect, creating a whole generation of new smokers. And today, new research from Stanford University's School of Medicine shows an alarming disconnect between young Juul users and their perception of addiction. The study, published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, researched 450 California high school students. Of those, 45% said they had used an e-cigarette in the last 30 days. Those respondents were then measured against the same scale used by doctors to determine dependency on cigarettes.
Any score above a 0, you're considered addicted. Our youth were well into the 2.5 range, so we definitely showed on an objective scale that they are addicted.
Doctors say it's this disconnect that concerns them the most, especially when this small cartridge contains 59 milligrams of nicotine, as much as this pack of cigarettes.
Dr. Halpern-Felsher says they still need time to research the long-term health effects of the chemicals in the vapor, but that the health effects of nicotine are well documented.
Really, in a young person, nicotine changes your brain. So if you use nicotine prior to around 25, you're actually actively changing the brain chemistry. Unfortunately, many of the youth do not recognize that Juuls can cause addiction.
For now, public health officials are left wondering if they're back to square one in the decades-long battle to end youth smoking.
When I was a teenager, I didn't think that you would reduce smoking. It was so prevalent in the Burley Tobacco Belt where I grew up that I didn't think that I would live to see a day where it has reduced to where it is today.
In the meantime, users like Alex say they're not too worried.
I've also been pretty in control of it, where I've stopped juuling for months at a time and had any issues as well.
Zach Anders, Murrow News 8.